More and more pet owners are discovering the benefits of homemade dog food. It allows you to control the quality of ingredients and tailor the recipe to your dog's specific needs. Homemade dog food can be a healthier and more affordable alternative to commercial kibble or canned food. This essay will guide you on how to prepare nutritious and delicious homemade dog food for your furry companion. We will explore the benefits, provide a vet-approved recipe, and emphasize the importance of a balanced diet for your dog. One of the most significant advantages of homemade dog food is the ability to choose high-quality ingredients. You have complete control over what goes into your dog's meals, ensuring they get the best nutrition possible. You can select fresh, whole foods that are free from artificial additives, preservatives, and fillers commonly found in commercial dog food. This means your dog is eating cleaner, healthier meals that can contribute to their overall well-being. This control over ingredients can lead to improved digestion, healthier skin and coat, increased energy levels, and even a reduced risk of allergies. Your dog will not only feel better but also look better, with a shiny coat and vibrant energy. Furthermore, making your own dog food can be surprisingly cost-effective, especially if you have a large breed dog. The savings can add up quickly, making it a financially smart choice. By purchasing ingredients in bulk, you can often save money compared to premium commercial brands. This not only benefits your wallet, but also ensures your dog is getting the best possible diet without breaking the bank. It is crucial to ensure that your homemade dog food provides all the essential nutrients your furry friend needs to thrive. This is where consulting with your veterinarian or a certified veterinary nutritionist is essential. They can help you determine the appropriate balance of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals for your dog's age, breed, size, and activity level. A vet-approved recipe will ensure that your dog's nutritional needs are met, promoting optimal health and well-being. A simple and delicious homemade dog food recipe is something you can certainly try at home. Not only is it a great way to ensure your dog is eating healthy, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience for you as a pet owner. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your veterinarian before making any significant changes to your dog's diet. They can provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your dog's specific health needs. Here are the ingredients you'll need to get started on this nutritious meal for your furry friend. 2 pounds of ground turkey, which is a great source of lean protein. 1 cup of cooked brown rice, providing essential carbohydrates for energy. 1 cup of chopped carrots, rich in vitamins and fiber. 1 cup of chopped green beans, which are low in calories and high in nutrients. Half a cup of chopped spinach packed with iron and antioxidants. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, adding healthy fats and aiding in nutrient absorption. Now, onto the instructions. First, in a large pan, brown the ground turkey over medium heat. This helps to lock in the flavors and ensures the meat is fully cooked. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep the meal lean and healthy. Next, add the cooked brown rice, chopped carrots, green beans, spinach, and olive oil to the pan. These ingredients will provide a balanced mix of nutrients. Stir well to combine all the ingredients, ensuring an even distribution of flavors and nutrients. Cook everything for an additional 5 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. This step ensures that the vegetables are soft enough for your dog to digest easily. Finally, allow the mixture to cool completely before serving. This is important to prevent any burns and to make the meal more palatable for your dog. This recipe is just a starting point, and you can adjust the ingredients and proportions to suit your dog's preferences and dietary needs. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables and grains. Always keep in mind your dog's specific health requirements and consult with your vet if you're unsure about any ingredient. Happy cooking! Essential nutrients for a balanced canine diet are crucial for your dog's health. Dogs require a delicate balance of nutrients to maintain optimal health. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, while carbohydrates provide energy. Fats are crucial for hormone production and cell function. Vitamins and minerals play vital roles in various bodily functions, from immune support to bone health. When preparing homemade dog food, it is vital to include a variety of ingredients to ensure your dog receives a balanced and complete diet. Embrace the joys of homemade dog food and discover how rewarding it can be for both you and your furry companion. Not only does it strengthen the bond between you and your dog, but switching to homemade dog food allows you to provide your dog with fresh, nutritious meals while saving money. You can avoid potentially harmful additives found in some commercial dog foods, ensuring a healthier diet. Always consult with your veterinarian to ensure that your dog's nutritional needs are met. They can provide guidance on the right balance of ingredients. With careful planning and preparation, you can create meals tailored to your dog's specific health requirements. You can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are providing your beloved pet with the best possible nutrition, leading to a happier, healthier life.